What's up? Just want to shoot you a quick message after a quick training, share something with you. Just finished doing kegs, and then I got some stone shouldering in. I did like 60, no breaks, no nothing, straight into keg clean and press overhead. I think that's my 80-pound keg. So, message in that was I was struggling. I was pushing, I was grunting, I was growling, I was yelling, but I'm in my environment. Lights off, it's dark. Music I want to hear that gets me in the zone that I need to get the way that I need. The thought in that process is that I don't train like everybody else. I don't train my mind to just train and work out and get six-pack abs. I train to make myself physically, mentally dangerous so I can take on whatever challenges that come my way in my business, in my life, as it relates to who I am as a person, as a man, as a father, as a responsible party. If you are training yourself in everything that you do to make yourself dangerous, so you can call on yourself as you need to, you will lose. You will quit at every turn, and it'll be evident. Everything you do in your physical body, your training, how you train yourself trains you mentally to take on other challenges. Yes, the stones rip my body up, rip my hands up. I don't do anything else. The kegs are rough on my hands, rough on my shins. I'm bleeding. I got torn biceps, torn this, torn that. I make shit happen because I train myself for that reason, to be dangerous. What are you training yourself for? Are you just training yourself to fucking look good? Or are you training yourself to get after it? You'll know when the time comes, because it'll be evident where you quit and why you quit. This is Coach Vic saying create, apply, inflict, panic, pressure, pain, stretch, grow, and get badass results. Wage war, no love.